I love gadgets, but I also love tinkering. With the latest batch of phones, watches, and smart glasses, you're pretty much tied in with what they tell you to do.
But what if there's a way you could make your own smartwatch or smart glasses, your own handheld video game platform, or really anything else you want? TinyScreen is a full-color display the size of your thumb, which lets you add visuals to almost anything. It's a new extension to the TinyArduino platform, a miniature Arduino-compatible system that works just like little electronic Legos. By stacking different modules together, you can easily create electronic projects even with very sophisticated features. TinyScreen is less than an inch across, has a resolution of 96 by 64 pixels, 16-bit color depth, and a software-controllable backlight. 4 push buttons are included along the sides for things like menu navigation or controlling a game. Out of the box, TinyScreen supports a number of apps that require no software coding at all. The smartwatch app for TinyScreen allows for beautiful timekeeping and supports communication with your Android or Apple smartphone using our configurable open source app. The video app lets you stream video at over 20 frames per second to TinyScreen from a microSD card. There's no limit to how long the video can be, and an easy menu system lets you navigate and select the video you want to play. The video game app lets you play games, like Flappy Birds and Asteroids. And with the software library open source and available to everyone, we look forward to all types of new games for TinyScreen being developed and shared. A lightning-fast Arduino software library has been created that makes it simple for you to create your own TinyScreen projects to do whatever you want. It includes key components, like fonts, menus, graphics, and gauges. We've teamed up with Codebender, who've created the leading web-based platform for the Arduino. All of the latest TinyScreen libraries, examples, and standalone apps will be on the site, and updating the software on your TinyScreen is simple. Just plug it into the USB and click a button on the web page, and it uploads in seconds. We got our start 2 years ago thanks to Kickstarter. We launched the TinyArduino project in the fall of 2012 and hit our $10,000 goal in only 2 days. At the end of the month, we have blown away our goal by over 1,000%. This let us fulfill our dream of manufacturing locally in our hometown of Akron, Ohio. We rented space in a 100-year-old rubber factory, bought some used electronics production machinery, and started building up the product. It took a few months and a lot of long days, but we got really good at production, and by the spring we were shipping Kickstarter rewards out. We launched our web store in June of 2013 and hit the road to spread the word about the TinyArduino, visiting 10 different maker fairs across the US in the last year alone. We started to get great traction, won awards, got featured on major websites and magazines, and got picked up by over 15 different resellers worldwide. It's been a great 2 years since Kickstarter, but we're still a startup and definitely need your help. With your support, we'll be able to buy the OLED screens in volume to be able to get these to you at a great low price. We hope you'll join us, and we look forward to seeing what you put on your TinyScreen.